clean and comfortable place in Quezon Avenue. The place is very homey and comfortable. Complete with amenities, though refrigerator might be tricky to use since the dial switch is not there. It might be better to allow earlier check-in, early morning, if room is already available. I will stay here again if I visit the city. Very good stay. This was my second booking. Owner was very nice and accommodating. I requested a lot before my check-in: knife, extra rugs, clean ref, etc., clean room, except of used cigarette I found in the couch brown, but thanks to the owner he has Lysol and alcohol in the unit. Smile. There's only one mini roach, but I guess it came from the outside because it's 2 or 3 doors near garbage room, not from the unit itself. Thanks to the owner for being nice. Even I checked out quite late because I went outside and got stuck in traffic. I will still book this unit. For those who want to book this unit, I guess you can request for some of your needs to the owner before checking in. Owners are really nice. Smile. Great location for convenience store. Excellent. The host was very accommodating and check-in instructions given were clear. The place was clean except for the aircon that obviously needed some cleaning. Some building issues, however, include fire alarm setting off every now and then for a few seconds and steep overnight parking price. Pretty good stay. Value for money, it's pretty fair. 1K/night. Though I literally just stayed during nighttime cause I have work in the morning. But it would be solid for staycation booking. Location: it's really good, nearing my workplace, very near in grocery, hardware, clinics, laundry shop, water station, resto, cafe, I think almost everything you need. Cleanliness, I requested for a nice smelling unit and the owner put lots of air freshener and it's cool. But the ref and freezer isn't clean, so I cleaned it up first before using cause I'll be stocking breast milk. It has to be clean and no smell. Staff was nice. I even asked if my visitors can stay overnight without extra charge and he said yes. But then my visitors didn't stay though for some personal reasons. Facilities inside the unit are good. Have smart TV with Netflix, fast Wi-Fi, shower with heater, free shampoo and soap, clean linens, microwave, heating pot, enough utensils for you and friends. Just lacks knife. Facilities in the entire condo are nice, have pools, and playground for kiddos and kiddos at heart. Sure, I'll be booking again. Smile. Excellent, nice location and nice place.